Isabel, venga para acá. ¿Qué anda haciendo usted perdida ahí? ¿Por qué no viene cuando yo le digo? Deja de estar aquí. Y ahí está. Estamos aquí casi cerca de Año Nuevo. Toma. Mira cómo se ha congelado tu bosque, Isabel. Sí, Isabel. Hi, how are you? How are you? Huh? Oh yeah, I don't know if she like it. Sometimes sometimes she doesn't like it though. Maybe she only like the corn sometimes, but you can try it.
It's a girl, right?
Yeah.
Hi, Annie. I met her the other day.
Huh? You can try it if you wishes,
Yeah?
but I don't know if she take it.
Oh, you gave him? She's got
Huh?
little bread.
Little bread?
What were you feeding her?
Oh, it's corn.
Oh,
She likes
that's
it.
nice.
Yeah,
Corn, yeah.
yeah, she likes to eat corn. And
And you like this?
maybe she wants to try banana. Yeah, she doesn't take it.
Wow, I can't believe. I thought they liked fruit and vegetable a lot. I really did.
Someone's like that, but she doesn't like more. Maybe.
No, I think he'd rather have like bread and stuff. I don't think he's interested in orange.
The bread.
Bread, yeah, I think he'd go crazy for bread. Nuts, crackers.
Oh yeah, the bread. I don't know if she get it.
He'll eat bread like
She
crazy.
wanna eat it.
They're usually the fruit I told you are berries and stuff. They're not like the oranges and stuff like that.
I swear, I thought they loved fruit and vegetables.
Yeah, but the fruit.
Take it. You want a bread?
Berries from the tree.
You don't want a
Ground, the grass.
Yeah.
Bread?
In front of the corn.
Okay, maybe later. She like only eat corn because sometimes I blend up corn with, the other kind of corn. She doesn't like it.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, and
Maybe cereal, you think?
no, so
What's in your pocket?
it's just,
This stuff right there.
it's corn.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's like grain, basically.
She'll eat these too. She just likes yours. Let me see. Let me
Okay,
see.
I will.